welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Joy here again, and today we're going to be doing yet another fragrance review. And this fragrance review today is about Scentbox. So this is my July subscription. Now, if you guys missed my first video on Scentbox, I posted that about a week or so, not a week or so, like about 2 weeks ago. And the first video that I posted was on the Versace Eros perfume. So for this month, we're gonna see what we got. Now, if you guys are not aware, Scentbox is pretty much a subscription box. Well, kind of like a little subscription thing. I'm not gonna say a box. I mean, it is a box, but you know, it's just one thing unless you upgrade your tier. But pretty much for $15 a month, you receive a perfume, and this is a travel size perfume, and you get to pick from about 500 options of luxury perfumes, which is pretty cool. You also get to build your own calendar and all of that. But I will be putting the first video where I discuss all the details, because in this video I just want to dive in and review the perfume with you guys. So yes, Scentbox, here we go. And Scentbox, y'all need to like hit your girl up. Like, y'all gotta hit your girl up so we can start working together, because okay. But anyways, yes, this month I decided to get something a little bit more out of my comfort zone. And this is a little different because normally the actual scent comes in like a nicer box, but I don't know what happened this month. I'm not sure why they sent it like this, but whatever, as long as it got here, I'm not even tripping. Maybe the first month was like the only month where they sent it in like the little luxury box. But today's scent is the Cool Cotton from Clean. So if you guys are not aware, Clean is kind of like a unisex fragrance line, and they do have like unique smells and things like that. A lot of the smells pertain to exactly what they're called. So I got Cool Cotton. I wanted to get something that I've never tried. I wanted to get something that was more like summer. So let's see how this is. And men and women can wear this. So this month I got it in this brown kind of copper case, and this is so pretty. I actually like this one better than the pink one that I got the first time. This is so cute, and this is what I'm talking about. Like, I love these automizers, because I think that's the word for it. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, but I love these because like you could switch it up every time that you switch up your outfits. And every month that you get a subscription box, you receive one of these, and pretty much this is the fragrance in there. So I honestly thought that because I had picked the Clean fragrance, I was gonna get a blue one, but I'm not even mad about this, because this is actually really cute, and this kind of matches my outfit that I'm wearing on Saturday. So yes, girl. So let's talk about, before I try this perfume, let's talk about the details. So the fragrance family of the Cool Cotton is fresh, and the scent type is fresh, citrus, and fruits. So I'm excited because it's not going to be floral, and that's what I was kind of like worried about. I love florals, don't get me wrong, you guys, but I really do like something. If it's going to be floral, I want it to have a little musk in it, because I just feel like when it's too floral, it don't go well with my nose. I just don't like it. But that's just my opinion. But anyways, the keynotes are grapefruit, jasmine, cedarwood. Fragrance description is the reassurance of cotton that's cool to the touch on a crisp day. Green apple, cotton, and peach create a calming, fresh impression that recalls the carefree days of a weekend morning. So right off the bat from that description, what I'm getting is this is going to be the perfect fragrance if I'm running out to do errands, if I'm running out for breakfast, something of that sort. You know what I mean? Just nothing too crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and try this, and I have no perfume on, which is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and try this on my wrist. And there we go. Okay, I'm like smelling it. This smells actually really good. This is definitely unisex because I could see a man wearing this. It definitely gives like clean laundry, and I do love it. I do love it. I'm normally not a fresh type of girl, but I do love this. This is very it's so clean. It's so clean. It's really the name of the perfume. This is clean. This is giving clean. This is definitely a daily perfume. I would say this is perfect if you're running errands. I would say this is perfect if you're going to the gym and you kind of want to smell a little bit good. This is actually very nice. And I'm a little stuffed up. I have a cold, you guys, so it's giving me a hard time for me to smell it. But I can smell it. It smells very, very clean. It very much so gives clean laundry. They do have another one called warm cotton, and that one is supposed to be a little bit softer than this one. It's more of a floral. So I'm kind of glad I went with this one because this is more of a unique smell. Like it does smell like clean laundry. Like it literally smells like clean laundry, but it has a hint of a type of like citrus smell in it. I can smell the fruits in there, and it's really giving summer. I love this. I absolutely love it. Now, I would not know the longevity on this. I'll be honest with you guys. I will probably, what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle back to the description box and I'm going to put below what I think about the longevity, or what I might do is I might wear it tomorrow and I might insert a clip. I can't promise you guys this. I just feel like it's really giving very clean. This is definitely a perfume that you can layer because it's not super strong in my opinion. I will have to put it on my neck because I'm smelling it on my wrist. But I can really smell it. It's a really nice, soft smell. It's definitely unisex. Definitely unisex. So guys, if you're looking for something like every day where, like, let's say if you just want to go out and run errands, or you're going to the gym, you want to smell good. I don't know. I'm just saying. I don't know if guys wear perfume to the gym. I wear a little something to the gym, but if you want to wear a little cologne, a little something, this one is definitely really nice. Ladies, if, like, let's say if you're going out during the day, if you're going out for breakfast, or it definitely gives weekend vibes. Like, it definitely is giving me weekend vibes, just like the description. It's not nothing that I would wear out elegantly. So I really love this because this is going to be something, I feel like my elegant perfumes, I give those more use than this. So I can see this lasting a long time because it's not normally what I go for, but I am pleasantly surprised with it, and I'm actually very happy that I chose this because it does give me a different option than what I have. I don't really have anything like this. This is very fresh. Like, it's so good. And I wish I didn't have a cold right now because I feel like I would smell it a lot more. I feel like almost spraying it one more time. Yeah, I'm going to spray it one more time just to see, but I can really smell it. It's really soft, and especially if I spray it in the air, I can really smell it. I smell it more than when I spray it on my wrist. So I'm going to go ahead and spray that again. Yeah, it's a really clean, nice smell. I honestly chose this one because it was rated pretty high. Um, it had pretty high ratings, and I just really wanted to know if it was good. On Sephora.com, it does only have 4 stars. I'm curious to see how much stars it has on Scentbox, because if you guys didn't know, that's another great thing about Scentbox too, is that you could actually see the ratings of the perfumes before you choose them. So I typically like to go for things that have a higher rating. They're more popular because I just want to see what the hype is all about. So let me actually see. This one has 4 stars. So it may not appeal to everybody because it's not really like the type of fragrance that's super strong. It's not what people normally go for if they're going for a perfume. And I can honestly understand that. But at the same time, it is a very unique soft smell, and I feel like it's nice to have it in your catalog if you need something, you know, for everyday use that's not too overpowering, but you're not going to work, you're not going nowhere important, you're just going out to run errands and you just want to smell good. So I just feel like it's a nice like refresher. It's pretty cute. I'm thinking if anything, if I don't like it too much, I may just give this one to my boyfriend. He could keep this in the car for like when he goes to work and stuff, because it really is a different type of smell. But honestly, I would want to just wear it throughout the day and just see what it smells like throughout the day and how long it lasts. And I am also going to pair it up with some oil, because I did discuss that in my last video about how oils work really well with fragrances. So I'm going to pair that up together and I'm going to play around with it, and hopefully I will give you guys an update. If I don't give you guys an update in this video, I will definitely give you guys an update in my next month for August video, and I'll let you guys know what I think. But yes, if you guys have tried Cool Cotton by Clean, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm very curious to know if anybody has tried this fragrance. I really am glad that I tried something different, and this is what this is all about. Even if I don't like the fragrance, I'm gonna tell you guys. Honestly, if I'm not crazy about the fragrance, this one is like, if would I buy a full-size bottle? Absolutely not. And it's only because it's not up my alley. It's not something that I would frequently use. I would more so use something a little stronger throughout the day, but it is a little different, and it does get points for being unisex, because I can definitely see a guy wearing this. And it also goes well with a younger demographic and an older demographic and someone of my age. So it's nice. It's a nice, unique smell. I really don't have any complaints. I wish it was a little stronger, if anything, but other than that, I think it's a pretty cool smell. It's a little different. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, make sure that you check out my first Scentbox review so that you get all the details if you're ever interested in signing up for Scentbox. I know right now they have like 35% off of their membership. So instead of paying the $14 for your first box, you're going to be paying $10, like about $10. And then the next boxes, you're going to be paying the $15. So yes, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Peralta Knows Best. I will see you guys soon. I can't believe I see you. Crush on you, crush.